1986 Chevrolet El Camino with the Conquista appearance package. 4.3 liter V6 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the front chrome in the grille. Bumper, headlight surrounds. You can see the bumper does have a little bit of pitting. Does show its age a little bit in a few spots. Medium gray metallic and silver two-tone. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed, and all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Hankook radials, steel wheels with the Chevrolet wheel covers. In the still pictures, you're also going to be able to see the window sticker if you want to see exactly how this car was equipped. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see nice straight body panels, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. We're going to get around to the driver's side, check out that interior a little bit closer. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. Soft tonneau cover. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, this is one that will lift up, so that's why you see these flaps here. So it lifts up, has struts holding it there. We just left them out when we were doing the pictures. There's the Conquista package. Noted on the rear tailgate, 4.3 liter fuel injection. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Couple notes from the technician on this one. Brakes are 80% in the front and rear. Date codes in the tire, 2015. Those are starting to get up there. Slight seat from the powertrain. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car that's driven. Look how straight this driver's side is. And again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like these El Caminos, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And once again, that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a look at this good looking interior. Door panels. So cloth, vinyl seat combination, bench seat up front, fold down armrest. Couple aftermarket speakers behind. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. Aftermarket stereo, tilt column. Let's fire this one up. Believed to be original miles, 91,128 on the odometer. Does have a new battery. Dash looks good. Pioneer aftermarket stereo. I haven't played around with this yet. This, there was the tuner. Let's check this out. Find a station that will get reception.
Night Ranger live Friday, August 1st.
Stereo is working. The dash looks good. Headliner also looking good. Visor is still intact. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Nothing crazy over the top of this exhaust with that 4.3 in there. Sounds as you'd expect, running pretty smooth. Alright, let me see if I can get this hood one-handed. Check out this engine bay and stick around to the very end. We'll have Jason take this one for a drive too. Did notice the rear view mirror is missing from the windshield. That will be included with it. There it is. As you can see, power steering, power brakes. Pretty stock looking engine bay. And remember, check out that still pictures. They'll have the window sticker in there. 1986 Chevrolet El Camino with the Conquista appearance package, among other things. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1986 Chevrolet El Camino, appearing very stock to me. In good condition inside and out. We do have a Pioneer stereo in the dash, that's one modification. A very 80s song for this 80s car, perfect. Turn signal indicator is working. This car starts and idles very smoothly and easily. Gauges are working, speedometer working, very smooth. The fuel gauge showing 3/4 of a tank. There are warning lights for the oil, volts, and temperature. The blower motor works. The wipers also work on this car. Horn is functioning. A nice smooth ride. Again, very stock feeling. Cruise control is working as it should. We have a tonneau cover across the bed in the back. Very comfortable cloth bench seat. I would say it's sitting at the perfect angle for me. Gray interior, gray exterior. Kind of a dressed up color for an El Camino. Looking good. Brakes are nice and smooth. Power brakes, power steering. Easy to steer. Just the right amount of lean in the corners. Smooth acceleration from this El Camino. Very nice car. Take a look at all the pictures of this El Camino at uniqueclassiccars.com.